video. So this is my very first video, and I figured, you know, it's gonna be pretty much like a natural hair channel. So I figured let me show you guys, well, talk to you guys about my mini twists and show you guys how I redo them, refresh them, and basically how I'm, you know, gonna maintain them. I've done these like approximately 2 weeks ago on blow dried hair. Over the 2 weeks they've basically shrunken up a bit because, you know, as soon as moisture, any type of moisture, hits your natural hair, it shrinks and does its own little thing. So yeah, so I've basically been doing these mini twists for, well, since like the end of August last year, mainly because it's a good protective style, and I live in, you know, New York, so it's a colder climate, so I guess it's a form of, you know, protecting your hair from the, you know, harsh weather, because most of the time I have a little like cap, if you see my caps right there. Yeah, most of the time I wear, you know, caps or whatever when I go outside. So yeah, and also I'm a college student, so which means I don't have to get up in the mornings and, you know, figure out, okay, what am I gonna do with my hair, or the biggest one, waste time and you know, in the mornings when you're getting ready for school. And yeah, because, you know, sometimes when you're trying to style your hair and you're not getting it to be, you know, how you want it to be, so you spend extra time doing your hair, and then as soon as you know it, you know, yeah, it's about time for you to get out the house, but you're still not ready yet. Yeah, so that's basically it. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys how I do that. Okay, so what I'm gonna be using is Creme Brule, Creme Brule whipped curl cream. I got it for $11.49 at Rite Aid. It's actually like my first time purchasing it, so we're gonna see how that works out. Yeah, it's my first time. You guys get to watch my first time using it. So yeah, and it smells amazing. So, yeah, so I'll basically be using this to retwist my hair, and a little bit of oil. So this bottle is basically the Tropic Isle Living Jamaican Strong Roots Red Pimento Hair Growth Oil. I pretty much used up all of the oil that was in here. So this is a mixture of coconut oil, I think argan oil, olive oil, and a little bit of the black castor oil that was left back in here. So this is basically not what comes in here, so let's get into it. Okay, so I'm just gonna put my hair in a little pony and pull my hair out, you know, individually. And retwist them. Starting at the back. And if I didn't say before, I am a type 4C. Yes, I do the hair typing thing, but yeah. Okay guys, so I finished the rest of my hair off camera. It was taking a bit too long, so I figured I'd come back and show you guys the finished product. It's basically like more, you know, moisturized and less frizzy, so I'm hoping that I could keep these in for maybe a week or two, and then, you know, I'll wash again and then probably like retwist them. But this is basically how it looks. My hair is more shrunken up now, so I mean, it comes with the natural hair territory anyways. So, and because I'm 4C, my hair shrinks up a whole lot. So this is the finished product, and you know, thank you guys for watching my first video.